Hi, this is Jan, the Success Alchemist, and today's video is about manifestation. And I want to talk to you about how manifestation is linked to your life purpose and your soul purpose. And the reason I came to this conclusion is, well, I'll tell you another story. When I was little, I was born with this incredible passion for horses. And I would immerse myself in everything I could find that was horse related. I would pretend to be a horse and I'd go through tack catalogues, fantasizing about all the saddles and the bridles and everything else that I'd buy. And I'd look through the horses for sale ads and fantasize about getting a pony. And when I started to learn about the law of attraction, it occurred to me that if it worked the way it was said to work in The Secret, for example, where you're just focusing on your desire, well, I'd have had a herd full of horses in my backyard, I think, because I was so focused on, just wanting a pony so much that immersing myself and visualizing and pretending should have delivered all these ponies into my life, but they didn't. And in fact, my first horse I got when I was 29, so I had to wait quite a long time because my mum brought us up as a single parent, so we didn't have the funds to even think about me having a pony. And then it occurred to me when I was looking back and I was really studying manifestation, this is starting from about 2006, I realized that horses were very much linked to my purpose because, and I've spoken about this before, about rehabilitating my Andalusian horse from a complete breakdown and learning about fear and energy and all of these things. But he wasn't the first. And I was always drawn to horses that had confidence issues. And of course, what am I doing with my clients? I'm helping them clear their limiting beliefs and build their self-confidence and learning how to teach them how to overcome fear. So it became obvious that my connection with horses was very much in alignment with my life purpose. And it's also, in terms of manifestation, I've also had examples of manifesting things in alignment with my soul purpose as well. So when I first started on my spiritual journey, thanks to my horse, I was led to information that I hadn't consciously desired, but I would have people pop into my life and say, you must read this book, or have you heard about this person, or do you know about this metaphysical philosophy? And so, my purpose on a soul level is really to evolve consciously, like many of us, but also to support others in evolving consciously and raising vibration and so on. So I was being led all the time to manifest information to help me do that. So the reason this is so important is that getting clear on your purpose is really critical. And I've shared a couple of videos on the subject of life and soul purpose in the last week or so, and I would really recommend that you go and look at those and watch them, because my belief is we live in a loving universe and we've come here with a specific purpose in terms of what we're here to do, but also how we're meant to grow spiritually on a soul level. And of course, a loving universe, or a God or spirit or source, whatever you care to call it, will support us in fulfilling that. And so if we hit roadblocks, or if we're not manifesting something, it could be that it's not in alignment with our purpose. So that's why, if you can really get in touch with that purpose and then start to focus your intentions of manifestation on those things that are in alignment, then I think you'll find that life really begins to flow. And you're not going to stop having challenges, but the challenges again are very much connected to what you're here to learn and how you're here to grow. So everything is for your ultimate benefit. Isn't that great? So I hope that's helpful, and really ponder that and look at perhaps how it's worked in your life up to now. See if you can see the link between what you're manifesting or what you have manifested and what you know about your life purpose and soul purpose. So please like and share this if it's been helpful to you, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll put some links in the description, and I do have a special at the moment on my Empowered Manifestation bundle, which is available for only $7. And for that, you get my book, which has received 5-star ratings on Amazon, and I think it's 3 other classics in terms of manifestation, and a prosperity meditation, and 3 exercises to really help you set off on the right path in terms of what you want to manifest. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.